Namaste and welcome. My name is Tiina Kivinen and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a short yoga practice that is intended to warm the spine and release tension in the shoulders. It is a pratapana practice, meaning pratapana is the building of the sacred fire, and these are gentle, easeful movement practices that you can bring in as a way to just center yourself in your body and release tension and stretch, or they can also be used as the warm-up to more postures in yoga practice. Let's get started seated. You might like to sit on top of a cushion or a folded blanket. You can also do these movements sitting in a chair if that's more comfortable for you. Beginning with the hands resting on the lap or the knees and the spine lengthening up nice and tall. You may wish to close down the eyes or keep a very soft gaze forward. Let's connect with the breath, breathing in and out through the nose. Sensing the inhale expanding the belly, the middle ribs, and upper chest. The exhale long, slow, and relaxed. After taking a few centering breaths, begin to circle your shoulders, letting the shoulders roll forward and up, and then back and down and around and round. Rolling the shoulders. And allow both shoulders to soften back and down, pausing there. And we'll begin to explore the different directions that the spine moves in. With your inhale, press the heart forward, leaning forward, lifting the tailbone, arching the back, looking up. As you exhale, round your spine, tucking the chin and tailbone under. Inhale, the heart lifts forward, the shoulders draw back, the tailbone floats up. Exhaling to tuck the tailbone, tuck the chin, and round your spine. Continuing back and forth through these two movements of flexion and extension, rounding and arching the spine. And as you explore these movements, we'll add in a little bit of arms. As you round back, draw the palms into the heart. As you inhale, press the arms to the sides and back as you lift your heart forward. Exhaling, rounding, palms together into the heart. Inhaling, lifting, arms open, heart open. Follow your breath. Beautiful. Until the next time that you open the heart, pause there for a moment, expanding your wings, lifting your heart, squeezing the shoulder blades in towards each other. And then with a breath in, sweep your arms up to the sky. Exhale, the hands come down to the heart, interlace the hands, press the palms forward as you round your spine back, tucking the chin and tailbone under. Inhale to lift the arms up to the sky, bringing your hands behind the back of the head, if that's available, interlaced behind the head, gently leaning the head back as you lift your heart and pause here, feeling the opening of the heart, the gentle back bend, so nourishing as we spend so much of our time often slouching or rounding the upper back. So we lift up through the heart as if beaming your heart up to the sky. Beautiful. And then bringing your head to center, let's relax our hands onto the shoulders and then rotate your elbows in each direction a few times. Let's soften our arms down. The next two movements of the spine, inhale and lift your right arm up. To exhale, hinging over to the left side like a crescent moon. Let's flow here, inhaling to come up and exhaling to the other side. Left arm sweeps up and over. Continue to flow from side to side here, letting your upper body move gently, flowing and breathing at the same time. Until the next time you extend like a crescent moon to the right, let's pause there, holding that position, feeling the left fingertips reaching towards the right, feeling your left sitting bone rooting into the earth, And then as you exhale, round your spine, bowing your heart down towards your right thigh. And then inhale and sweep the heart up, drawing the arm slightly back, drawing shoulder back. Exhale, rounding down, bowing the heart. Inhaling, floating up, lift the heart back and forth, guided by your breath. Beautiful. And the next time the heart lifts, let's once again bring the hand behind the back of the head, gently holding the weight of the head as the heart lifts towards the sky. And then gently floating up, let's release the left arm down, let the right arm sweep up and over, feeling this stretch through the whole right side of the body. Breathing here, and then as you exhale, rounding the heart down towards the left thigh. Inhaling, sweeping the heart up, arm and shoulder draw slightly back. Exhaling to bow down. Inhaling to lift up. Moving with breath. And the next time the heart is lifting, pause there, bending your right elbow, hand to the back of the head, gently holding the weight of the head for a moment as you spiral the heart towards the sky, breathing here. Beautiful. Lifting yourself up to center as you relax the arms down. A few more gentle circles with the shoulders. Drawing the shoulders up, back, and down. And our final spinal movements are rotation or twisting. Let's inhale and sweep the arms out and up to the sky. And as you exhale, rotate towards the right side, crossing the left hand to the right leg, right arm at your side, gently rotating. Inhale to float up to center, reaching the arms up. Exhaling, rotating over to the left side, crossing the right hand over. Continue to flow here with your breath, one side to the other. The next time you rotate towards the right, let's hold that position with your right arm at your side, left hand to the right leg, a gentle rotation from the waist to the heart, the shoulders, the head. Taking a few nourishing, deep breaths in and out through the nose. Notice your mind is relaxed. Beautiful. Let's release here and inhale our arms up high to the sky. Exhale, turning over to the other side, crossing right hand over, waist, chest, shoulders, head, rotating towards the left. Breathing here. Floating back to center, and here simply pausing to receive the effects of our mini practice. You might close down the eyes, perhaps resting hands on the lap with palms up or down. The final direction that the spine moves in is elongation. So as you rest here, you might sense the tailbone rooting down towards the earth and the crown of the head rising up towards the sky. A sense of the spaciousness of the spine as if each vertebra is just floating up above the others. Long, slow, deep breaths in and out as if these breaths are moving up and down the spine. Receiving the effects to notice physical, emotional, energetic sensations and feelings. Holding space for yourself to be just as you are with compassion. Let's bring our hands together at the heart, palm to palm, offering peace to all beings. So namaste and thank you for being here. You might like to pair this mini practice with a longer yoga practice, or you might like to bring in a longer meditation or yoga nidra or shavasana practice now. Or you might choose to use these spinal movements to simply rejuvenate your spine anytime during the day. I would love to hear from you. Please leave a message in the comments. Let me know you were here and how you enjoyed the practice, and maybe where you're coming from as well on the planet. And if you're part of our Embodied Wisdom 200-hour yoga teacher training, again, please leave a comment and let us know how you enjoyed learning the 7 movements of the spine in pratapana. If you are interested in learning more about the Embodied Wisdom Yoga Teacher Training, the link is below in the description and comments. We also offer teacher trainings through the School of Living Yoga with myself and Ali Boothroyd and our luminous team of teachers in Ontario, Canada in person, as well as Costa Rica and online. So please be in touch and check out the links for more information. Thank you so much for being here.